Hello everyone, Hemal here. First, a quick disclaimer. So I wanted to cover 3 stocks that are setting up, and these 3 stocks, they have a pretty good profile, meaning they are improving, significant improvement in margins, significant improvement in sales and earnings. So all 3 are moving in the right direction, and it is significant, to put it in simple terms. So these 3 stocks are in a pretty good setup, in my opinion, at least. So the first one is DHR, which is a healthcare diagnostic and research company. So if you see here, so for the next year, the revenue is going to grow 14%, earnings per share is going to grow 19%. That is both above average. So it is still in a good space as we are looking for the next year. And one can buy this at if it breaks through 225.63 with a stop. It's a loose stop. Somebody can have a stop here, but it will be too tight in my opinion. If you put a stop there, it will be what, 3%, and here will be like 7% risk. So again, this one has had phenomenal year in 2020 and is currently in a low risk setup. As you can look at the hourly chart too, it is getting very close to breaking out through this trend line. So this is something actually I may need to look into before tomorrow morning. But yeah, so that's one of them. The second one is Nvidia. Everybody knows that. Now, the problem is, if you're looking at this longer term than just a quick swing trade, the revenue growth is estimated to slow down. Now, these are all estimates. And then earnings per share is also estimated to slow down. This is lower than the average, okay, just to clarify. However, it is set up in a really, really nice squeeze here. So any breakout about 537, so one can have a stop right around 537.66, buy stop I mean, and then the stop would be 508.35-ish. Let's see here. So you're talking about 6% loss. Third one is LH. Now, this one is not as good of a setup as the other 2, but the revenue growth is going to be neutral for next year. Earnings per share is going to actually contract, so that's not a good signal. But again, this is for a short-term trade, a quick. If somebody wants to buy it here on the lower part of the box, and then can put a tight stop at 270, or one can buy here and have a stop here, or can buy on a breakout and can have a stop there. So a lot of different ways to trade this. Again, these are for a quick trade. I'm not really talking about a longer term investment here. So that's all I have. I hope this works for you. Have a good one. Take care.